Rockaway recently completed a full property landscape transformation in the quiet, secluded back section of the Queens Harbor community. This project is a great example of how Rockaway helps homeowners restore and elevate their outdoor spaces, especially after major construction. The property had undergone extensive driveway work by another contractor, leaving the landscape heavily impacted. With two driveways serving different areas of the home, construction traffic, materials, and equipment had destroyed the existing sod, compacted soil, disrupted irrigation, and affected nearby tree roots. Our team began by removing all compromised turf and plant material, creating a clean slate for a proper rebuild. Rather than applying quick fixes, the focus was on correcting underlying issues to ensure the landscape would thrive long-term. One of the more complex challenges involved protecting a mature tree whose root systems were impacted during driveway installation. We designed and installed a retaining wall to stabilize the soil and shield exposed roots, helping preserve the health of the tree, an approach that reflects our commitment to thoughtful, responsible landscaping. With the site cleared and stabilized, new fill dirt was installed and fresh planting beds were created across the front and backyard. The updated design features structured beds, layered greenery, and a prominent ligustrum focal point, all supported by a newly rebuilt drip irrigation system. Because the original irrigation had been damaged during construction, Rockaway's in-house irrigation team redesigned and replaced it to match the new landscape layout. We also installed rock around the home's foundation for improved drainage. The result is a clean, cohesive front yard that feels intentional, polished, and built to last. In the backyard, we removed the existing turf and installed new sod along with simplifying planting beds, creating a more functional, refined outdoor space. This project highlights the Rockaway advantage: comprehensive landscape expertise, in-house irrigation solutions, and the ability to turn construction-damaged properties into cohesive, high-quality outdoor environments designed for long-term success.